Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since we've done one of these. So what do we have? Ls3 Camaro with a whole bunch of horsepowers. So this is one of our previous customers. He's the one that he did the Astro van with the 6-liter square fort heads. It was super cool. Did a really gnarly burnout in front of the shop. Super cool guy. He looks like Grizzly Adams, no big deal. Big beard, big dude, but he's a handsome, cool fellow. Anyways, he brought this car. He just got it. Wow, that thing's tripping out. He brought this car. He just got it not that long ago, and he brought it to us for a cam and some work and just check it over and dyno it. So it came here to dyno. Andrew knocked it out. We got it done. This thing's a pain in the butt. So Andrew got it done, threw it on the dyno. He came and watched it. So what we did, this car already had headers. It was never tuned before, but it had headers. They look like American Racing. They're a decent quality header, whichever ones they were. They have cats, and then I think it was Borla mufflers, whichever they were. So it sounds really good. We haven't used, since we moved and all that stuff, we have not used the newer BTR Stage 3 V2 cam. Haven't used it in an auto or a stick yet. So I had one on the shelf, and I was like, you know what, we're going to do a Stage 2 because we know the curve is awesome. We threw it in, and it actually was like overly impressive. The curve is still fantastic in it, and that's kind of what you want in a stick car because you're not always, at your peak RPM. And you don't have a stall converter to flash you up into the RPM that you need to be into. That's me flashing the converter, by the way. So it's pretty cool because the cam performed way better than I thought down low, and it still continued to carry all the way to $7,000. So I was like, sweet, this is going to be a ripper. I got the dyno sheet right here because I already shut the computer off and I'm running out of time and it's the end of the day and I got to hurry up because I got to go to my 13th Christmas party with Chelsea. She only asked me for 4 things a year and it's still too much for me. But, so, 471 wheel horsepower, peaks at 61 and 62 because of the intake manifold, but seriously a healthy torque curve. Like, has that little bit of a dip right there and probably intake manifold noise, but it is pretty sweet. That thing sounds good, rips good. It tuned well. Need a little more work than the Stage 2, but not too bad. But idles, returns to idle, it's on the dyno still, but driving characteristics seemed really good. Normally, I would not sell a Stage 3 for a stick shift guy unless he insisted, especially in a 4,200-pound car, because you can't control where you're at RPM-wise unless you're just balls to the wall all the time. So now that we've used one, I actually would use them again for the people that think they need a Stage 15. So it doesn't sound much bigger, if at all bigger than a Stage 2. They're very, very similar. So I'm still a huge fan of that Stage 2 V2 BTR Ls3 cam. It is an awesome cam, makes a ton of power, makes a ton of torque, super curvaceous. It feels like a really good-looking, big-breasted woman. I like it. But, orange Camaros are cool and all. They're orange, and they're all very orange, inside and out. They have orange on the dash, on the door panels, on the hood, under the hood, behind the hood, in the sky, on the brake rotors. I'm in calipers, sorry. Somebody's going to pick me apart for that and be like, you're so smart, you said it's got colored brake rotors. It's like, no, it's the calipers. I'm trying to talk fast because we're running out of time and I got to leave. I got to go to Lansing. So, Sunset Tour, that's what it's all about right there. Basically, little Miami Vice sprinkled in the engine bay. But yeah, this is your run-of-the-mill LS3. Stock intake manifold, stock throttle body. Has a K&N intake tube, which technically isn't my favorite. It's a little bit dirty. We didn't change it. That's fine because that's how it's going to be. Super clean, super low miles. But these, 470 wheel horsepower with headers and intake and a cam with a tune is pretty awesome. You cannot deny it. It's pretty sweet. So these LS3s, even though the Gen 5, 6, 2s are so awesome, LS3 is still awesome. And super impressive. So I just wanted to make another quick rundown of it. Kind of a quick description, quick update. We just got some throttle bodies in for the Corvette, so I'm trying to hurry because it's already like 4:45 and Andrew has to leave, so we're going to get that off the dyno, get that on the dyno, move back over there, put the throttle bodies on and run it again, and then I got to leave at like 5:30 anyways. I'm going to finish this up here. So I'm starting to talk really fast. Guess I'm in a lot better mood than I normally am. Not as cold right now, so been inside. Only had to tune one truck today. That super obnoxious noise you hear, that's Chelsea's Grand Prix. But yeah. for the spring, he's gonna have me paint correct it. But for the time being, the Ls3 Stage 3 V2 camshaft specs. I really like the BTRs that are doing these, especially so when they put the torque specs on the back, the cam orientation for the noobs, and you know, any of the newer stuff with the Gen 5 stuff with VVT stuff, they already did the work for us. And they put the cam phasing on the back, the amount of degree for the retard on the cam. So that is super cool of them. I just thought maybe I'd let it warm up a little bit longer to get a little better sound when it's colder.